Ever feel like you don't quite fit in, no matter where you are? What if your loneliness isn't a problem but a sign that you're meant for something greater? Today, we'll reveal the 7 reasons why chosen ones like you often walk alone and why that might be your greatest strength. Stay with us for the final reason, where you'll discover how your solitude is actually the doorway to the connection and purpose you've been searching for, backed by real science. But first, before we dive into the 7 reasons why chosen ones often feel lonely, let's take a moment to talk about what it means to be a chosen one. What it means to be a chosen one. A chosen one isn't necessarily someone who's been picked by some outside force. It's about being on a unique, often spiritual path. Chosen ones are people who feel a deep sense of purpose, like they're meant to do something extraordinary in this world. It could be helping others, creating something that leaves a lasting impact, or simply seeing life from a different perspective. Because of this, chosen ones tend to experience life differently than most people. They think deeper, feel things more intensely, and their journey often involves challenges that set them apart. And while that can lead to incredible growth and transformation, it can also make them feel disconnected from the world around them. Have you ever felt this way? Like you're on a path that others don't quite understand? Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear your story. So, if you've ever felt like an outsider, like you're on your own path that no one else really gets, you just might be one of the chosen ones. Now, we're going to explore the 7 reasons why chosen ones like you are lonely. And trust me, some of these might hit home in ways you didn't expect. Reason number 1, you operate on a higher frequency. What does that mean? It means you experience the world on a deeper level than most people. You pick up on energies, emotions, and subtle details that others might miss. This heightened awareness can make everyday interactions feel shallow or unfulfilling. Have you ever found small talk exhausting or meaningless? While others might enjoy casual conversations, you crave deeper discussions about life's purpose, spirituality, or personal growth. This difference can make it hard to connect with those around you because you're operating on a different wavelength. Imagine tuning into a radio station that plays the music you love, but no one else seems to hear it. That's what it's like, vibrating at a higher frequency. It's not that something is wrong with you or them. You're just tuned into different channels. Many spiritual teachers suggest that as you raise your vibration, you might find fewer people who resonate with you. But remember, this higher frequency is a sign of your growth and awakening. While it might lead to feelings of loneliness now, it's also guiding you toward finding your true tribe. People who truly get you and share your deeper perspectives. Reason number 2, spiritual awakening changes your priorities. When you're a chosen one, you start to see the world differently. Things that used to matter a lot might not seem so important anymore. Maybe you used to enjoy going out every weekend, hanging out with friends, or keeping up with the latest trends. But now, you find yourself drawn to deeper experiences, like spending time in nature, reading spiritual books, or just enjoying quiet moments alone. This shift can make you feel disconnected from the people around you. Friends and family might not understand why you've changed. Conversations that once flowed easily might feel awkward or shallow now. Imagine you're at a gathering, and everyone is talking about things that no longer interest you. You try to join in, but it feels forced. You start wondering if there's something wrong with you. But there's not. You're just growing in a different direction. This change can be lonely because it feels like you're leaving your old life behind. But it's also an important part of your journey. You're making room for new experiences and people who resonate with your true self. Remember, it's okay to outgrow certain things. Your new priorities are leading you toward a more authentic and fulfilling path for you. If you've felt this way, know that you're not alone. Many chosen ones experience this shift, and while it can be challenging, it's a sign of meaningful growth. But the most surprising reasons are yet to come. Stick around, because reason number 5 might just change how you see your entire journey. Reason number 3. You are misunderstood by society. As a chosen one, you tend to see things differently. You question norms, think deeply about life's big questions, and might have ideas that challenge the usual way of thinking. Think about famous scientists like Nikola Tesla and Albert Einstein. Their revolutionary ideas were ahead of their time. Many didn't understand them, and they often felt isolated because of their unique perspectives. Your unique way of seeing the world can lead to amazing discoveries and insights. While not everyone may get you right now, your ideas could inspire or help others in ways you can't even imagine. So, if you often feel like society doesn't understand you, know that many chosen ones have walked this path. Embrace your uniqueness because it's what makes you who you are. We're almost halfway through, but the most eye-opening reasons are still ahead. Don't miss reason number 7. It ties everything together in a way you won't expect. Reason number 4. Empathy can be overwhelming. Chosen ones are usually highly empathetic, meaning you don't just understand how someone else feels, you actually feel it yourself. Imagine walking into a crowded room and instantly sensing the mood of everyone there. Happiness, sadness, stress. You pick it all up like a sponge. While this ability can make you incredibly compassionate and understanding, it can also be emotionally draining. Because you absorb so much from others, social situations might leave you feeling exhausted. You might need more time alone to recharge after being around people. This can lead to feelings of isolation. You might skip social events or limit interactions to protect your energy, which others might not understand. But here's the thing. Your deep empathy is a gift. It allows you to connect with people on a level that many can't. By learning to manage your empathy, like setting boundaries and practicing self-care, you can turn this overwhelming trait into one of your greatest strengths. Can you relate to these feelings so far? Wait until we get to reason number 6. It might resonate even more deeply with you. If you're finding these insights helpful and want to continue exploring your unique journey, subscribe to our channel. We regularly share content to support and empower chosen ones like you. Now, let's move on to the 5th reason on our list. Reason number 5. You're meant to lead, not follow. As a chosen one, you have a unique vision and purpose that set you apart from the crowd. You see possibilities where others see limitations. Leaders and visionaries throughout history have often walked alone before their contributions were fully recognized. Take Amelia Earhart, the first female aviator to fly solo across the Atlantic. Or Steve Jobs, the visionary co-founder of Apple who revolutionized technology. Both faced doubt and isolation because they saw possibilities that others couldn't yet imagine. Your ideas, dreams, and perspectives might not align with the mainstream. You might have a vision for a better future, a new way of doing things, or a message that challenges the status quo. This can make it hard to relate to others who are comfortable with how things are. Your loneliness is a sign that you're forging your own path. You're not following the crowd because you're meant to lead the way. While this can be challenging, it's also incredibly powerful. Embrace this role. Remember, every great movement started with one person daring to step out on their own. Your journey might just light the way for others who are waiting for someone like you to lead. I know feeling this way can be tough, but recognizing these reasons is the first step toward finding peace in your solitude. And coming up in a few minutes is a reason that surprises most people. It certainly surprised me. Stick around because you won't want to miss how this could turn your loneliness into one of your greatest strengths. Reason number 6, fear of vulnerability. As a chosen one, you might have faced judgment or rejection when you've tried to open up to others. Maybe you've shared your true thoughts or feelings, only to be misunderstood or dismissed. These experiences can make you hesitant to reveal your authentic self again. This fear of being vulnerable creates walls between you and others. You might keep your deepest feelings hidden to protect yourself from getting hurt. While this defense mechanism keeps you safe, it can also lead to loneliness. Brené Brown, a research professor and renowned author, explains in her famous TED Talk the power of vulnerability. That vulnerability is not a weakness, but the birthplace of connection, creativity, and courage. She shares how being open about our true selves is essential for building meaningful relationships. Though vulnerability can feel risky, it's the key to finding deeper bonds with those who truly understand and accept you for who you are. Remember, not everyone will judge or reject you. There are people out there who will value your honesty and depth. By taking small steps to share your true self, you can break down the walls that keep you feeling isolated and turn your loneliness into genuine connection. So which of the reasons we've explored so far touched you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experiences. Reason number 7. Isolation is part of your growth journey. Sometimes chosen ones feel lonely because they're meant to spend time alone for a while. This solitude isn't a punishment. It's a crucial phase for personal development and self-discovery. Think of it like a caterpillar in a cocoon. Before it becomes a butterfly, it needs that time alone to transform. In the same way, your isolation is a crucial phase in your journey. It's an opportunity to connect deeply with yourself, discover your true purpose, and develop strengths you didn't know you had. During this time, you might gain insights about yourself and the world that you wouldn't have noticed amid the noise of everyday life. It's a chance to heal old wounds, discover new passions, and reconnect with your inner self. Many spiritual teachings emphasize the importance of solitude for enlightenment. It's in these quiet moments that you can hear your inner voice and perhaps even connect with a higher power. Remember, this phase is temporary and serves a greater purpose. Embracing your time alone can lead to profound personal growth. When the time is right, you'll emerge from this period stronger, wiser, and ready to share your gifts with the world. Your loneliness is not the end of the story. It's the beginning of a new chapter filled with possibility. The science behind why chosen ones feel lonely. When it comes to why chosen ones often feel lonely, science also offers some clear insights. Maslow's hierarchy of needs shows that as people work toward self-actualization, reaching their highest potential, their social needs like belonging often become less of a priority, leading to isolation. Research on high achievers shows that people with extraordinary goals often struggle to find others who can relate, creating a social mismatch. Additionally, self-determination theory by DC and Ryan explains that individuals on purpose-driven paths focus on autonomy, which can make them feel disconnected from those who don't share their vision. Those are the 7 reasons why you may feel lonely, along with the science that explains it. But remember, this feeling isn't a flaw. It's a sign you're walking a unique path as a chosen one. Use the opportunity to understand yourself, embrace your gifts, and prepare for the incredible impact you're destined to make. Being different isn't a burden. It's the clearest proof that you're here to make a real difference. If you're curious about where you are on your spiritual journey, check out our video. In that video, we dive deep into the phases many chosen ones experience, which can help you understand your feelings of loneliness even better.